The proposed Nonghali scientific landfill and road infrastructure in Sohryngkham, Mawshbuit, came up for discussion in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly on Friday. On the landfill project, Deputy Chief Minister Sohryngkham informed the House that the final Environment Impact Assessment EIA and Environment Management Plan EMP is being prepared, after which the proposal will be considered for environmental clearance.
Mr. Speaker, sir. Reply to Star Questions 162A. Sir, the progress of work is as follows. 1. In accordance with the provisions of the Solid Waste Management Rules 2026, the establishment of an integrated solid waste processing and disposal facilities required prior environmental clearance from the state level Environment Impact Assessment Authorities here. The prescribed procedure for the obtaining environmental clearance were duly followed, including the conduct of a public hearing by the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board on 23rd September 2025. And following the public hearings, the matter has become subjected to the litigations, and the Honorable High Court has disposed of the case on 14 July 2026. The final EIA and EMP is now being prepared for consideration of grant of environmental clearance by the State Environmental Impact Assessment Authority, Meghalaya. B. Sir, the identified sites for the urban towns of Meghalaya are as follows. 1 is Tura, Wakagre, and 2 is Juai, Kleret, Mlamat, Elaka Juai, and number 3 is William Nagar, Rogakre. And for the remaining towns, offers have been received and the offer sites are being scrutinized by the respective district task force committee.
Your supplementary, please, Vice Chairman.
I would like to thank the Speaker for allowing me to raise the supplementary question. And I will also like at the very outset thank the Honourable Minister for the reply. Therefore, my first supplementary question with regards to this to the Nonghali scientific landfill site, I would like to know from the Honourable Minister, because in the course of his reply, he had mentioned that there was a litigation before the Honourable High Court that has been disposed of on the 14th of July 2026. So first and foremost, I would like to know the outcome or the order of the Honourable High Court with regards to this very litigation.
Mr. Speaker, sir, the outcome of the order is on our favor, so now finally we can go for the clearance process, so we are on the job of doing it from the department. Mr. Speaker, sir, with your permission, I need some time because it's a fact that the projects delay quite sometimes. The NIT was floated for the Shillong landfill on March 2022. And following the invitation that we have received one number of landowners who participate in the process. And from these 4, DC has formed the task force committee, which headed DC himself, and inspected all the 4 lands. And after the inspections and the report was submitted from these 4, Nonghali landfills seemed to be feasible, which met the criteria as per the norms required by the department. And why it's delayed? Because we need consultative meetings and number of awareness program, because numbers of people came to me, number of society came to me, and number of communities demand landfill. But when we come with a EOI, and they are the one who are against it, this is really a practical problem faced by the urban department. And this is one of the reasons it takes time. I would like to inform the member, but I request you and all the members of the August House, this is a very, very important issue, and we would like to have a fresh landfills in order to make the city and town clean in a proper way. And after all the numbers of awareness program and consultative meetings at different levels, so finally we put a first public hearing was held on the 2nd April 2025. And on this public hearing, some of the people from the villages of Nonghali and also from the nearby villages, especially the Sinjuk and Osinchar Paramkhans, raised the issues they are not satisfied with the public hearings. And based on that, we as a department, as a government, from the district administrations and also from the municipal, we respect their concerns. And we postponed the first public hearing and we shift it to the 23rd September 2025. And before the final public hearing, which has been fixed 23rd September, we had numbers of awareness programs, especially with the nearby villages. And we come with the final second public hearings on the 23rd September 2025. And in these hearings, the hearings went well. Yes, of course, there is some who are raised against, and that is why somebody goes to court, which is from the Sinjuk Kirong Church, no? They went to court, and I would like to inform the House that finally the court was disposed on our favor on the 14th July. So as of now, we are on the process of preparing the final stage of the EIA and EMP. So the DPR is being prepared. After preparation, we will submit it to the state authority, MINSIA, for the consideration and grant the environmental clearances. After all the process is completed, when all the process is in place, and then we will be going for the land acquisition process. This is the final stage as of now. But we are in the final stage, so when everything is in place and we will decide to go with the land acquisition process, as of now, this is the exact latest status of the Nonghali landfill project.